Tired of app ideas stuck in your head because coding feels impossible? Imagine describe your vision with a simple prompt code, and with this prompt code your site will be alive. Fully functional app with UI, backend, auth and database all in minutes. Hey creator, welcome to my channel. Today we are unleashing base44.com, the AI powerhouse trusted by 400,000 non-tech users and founders. No skill needed, chat your idea, refine on the fly, deploy instantly with built-in hosting from MVB to the portals. It's your no-code superpower. Let's check this out with building one of the real project. So here friend, that is you can also able to use it with the free account, and for the free account you will get the 25 message credit per month and 100 integration credit. So throughout this you can easily build one or two web application as per your demand. But here they have the multiple options also. If you like it, then you can also able to take it. So right now they have the different type of templates is also available is in here as a marketing and sales template, operations template, data and analytic, and the content generation, HR and legal, the financial related template is also ready. The educational related LMS is also ready. Is very interactive. Not only you can develop that your front end, here it will be develop your entire total software. It's very interactive, one of the things. Now let's build this one of the application. For I want to check it. They have the different type of things as get started that idea as a CRM. Simply added the CRM, then automatically that will be started to work for this building this project. If you select it as a dev productivity, home management, health and awareness and environmental. So now I want to build one of the company web applications. So I put one of the prompt code in details. One of the prompt code I want to put it. I want to create one of the multi-purpose corporate product landing SaaS business platform. So that will be one of the SaaS platform, and here I put simple detail in one of the prompt code. So if you actually using simple prompt code as a create multiple corporate for the SaaS business, you can also develop it. But when you put that appropriate in detail prompt code, then AI will be more understand what type of project you want to build. So I always prefer to put some of the in detail prompt code. And that is the prompt code you don't need to worry about. In your video descriptions, I have already shared this prompt code with you. Simply copy it and you can also test it by this prompt code. Rather than if you want, you can use your own prompt code. Now I want to develop one of the SaaS business product landing page. Let's check this out. Here I put that prompt code, and then I want to click as a chat started as a go. Now let's check this out, what type of things that will be developed. It's already started creating your application. It might take a few time, and that is the already planning our total step, what type of things that will be do. And here you can see it's already created the turn of the structure as a designed languages, key sections, interactive elements, the components. It's editing all that our functionality, and throughout this that will be develop our application. So it's may take little time. Here it's working right now for this. When that will be done, then I'll come back again. Here you can see friend, our total project is ready, and how much interactive and well designed one of the project is created. I hope you like it very much. You can see how much interactive friend, very attractive one of the web application. Total entire our web application is ready. They have the different type of part that is also successfully working. And as I told you, when you put that appropriate prompt code, it will be created different type of outlook. And you can see this yearly and the monthly plan. One of the simple SaaS application is totally, our web application is ready. You can see the trusted option, the dream team option. Here you can use some of the images as per your demand. So you just actually develop it throughout that Next.js. So that is one of the Next.js project, and they have the FAQ section. That is the FAQ section is very gorgeous, and also the blog section. They have the different type of blog. The view all blog is in here, and also the footer section. Great, very good looking one of the application. You can see their pricing, the about, the contact, that is also everything is functional. Everything is in here. If you want to publish it, you can also able to publish it. If you want to share it, you can able to share it. There is a git from to the git here, you can clone it, and also there is analytic is in here. That is a dashboard, and that is our project dashboard related domain if you want to actually add it, and that is your domain. So here when you publish it, that will be automatically updated your total application throughout this domain URL, one of the default URL. He will be able to get it. They have the securities, the code. Okay, there is different type of code. You can see there's the home page code. When you select it, our home page created, all that things you can actually be able to access it. So this code editor is only available on the for the paid plan, but here actually there is the structure. So when you're using that paid plan, you can see all that your code as a header code. So that is our header code, that is our hero section, that is a feature section, use case section, testimonial that I have already discussed about that things with you. That is our hero section, and they have our feature section, and that is a different type of element. They have also another element as industrial, the different healthcare, which type of services you are included, that is the services. That is our testimonial will be is in here. So everything you can also able to this code from here. Okay, so that will be our code functionality for the different type of component, and that is our all that component related code. If you want, you can actually take it. So you can also copy it from here for designing purposes. Simply copy this footer section, create one of the component, and with this component area you can also able to use it. So it's very interactive. Which type of things they are using, you can see they are using that one of the UI button. That means they are using that SATCN, they are using that Lucid React. So that is one of the Next.js project, and all that our default data is also in here. So you can, if you already know a little bit the Next.js or the React.js, you already understand what type of structure is that. Right, rather than if you are the no coder, it's totally fine. Your total entire application is ready, and in here if you want to customize anything, you can also able to customize it as per your demand. Okay, like here they have the option as a for everything you need to be success. Here if you want to change anything, simply you have to go back to that your code and into this our area. That is also another option as a visual editor. When you select it as a visual editor, that will be as a selected. So in here, like I select this div and I want to simply make it our, that is the section. Okay, I just simply select this div section, and into this sections area, whatever type of things you want to do, you can find out the code. That is our edit the tool CSS from here. If you want to change it, if you want to change that color, you can also able to change that color, like as a background color. If you want to change it to the different type of color, that will be also done. So that the gray color range, all that your gray color range, that will be also, you can able to change it directly from here. How much interactive, right? So here, not only that, if you want to change that our text color, you can change that text color. If you want to change the specific some of the div, so here again you have to select that visual editor. Here if you have to select it, and from here when you select it, that will be also updated. From here you can change that our code color from to this position. If you want to change that spacing, you can change it. Opacity, if you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to change the color, also you can able to change the color. Okay, that is very interactive, friend. So I hope you get some idea. Not only that, if you want to change something again with a chat, you can also simply add that in your chat area, then that will be also executable. So how to do this work, how to build this type of one of the entire application in very easy way. I hope you like it very much. Okay, so that's how that things actually working. Right now we are using that free account, but with this free account we are now able to develop this type of one of the interactive project. Very good looking and very well decorated project. So here if you want to build any type of project, simply go to that base44.com. very well trusted one of the company. They are developing the web to entire application, so you can also able to check it from here. There is a mobile version here. If you want to check it, you can see that is also very much responsive. Okay, you can see it's also very much responsive. Great. So I hope you get some idea. So if you want to use it, you can also check out that base44.com. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.